Welcome back to OneStopTutorials.com. It's me, Alibaba, back again. How you doing, everyone? Hope all's well wherever you are. Okay, we're carrying on with this SEO, and in the last tutorial I asked you to go through a topics list, to write down loads of topics and then choose 3 topics. Now, if you haven't done so, I'd recommend going back and actually, sitting down, actually think over what topics you want to write a website about, and choose 3. The reason we're choosing 3 is because we might be able to home in on different keywords. We might look into one of your topics and that topic is not getting many people visiting that actual topic per month or per day or per week, so it allows us the option of moving from one topic to the other, trying to work out which is the better one, and then trying to add some of these techniques to it to see if we can actually generate a website that gets highly ranked in Google. So I did my homework, of course, and I chose 3 topics. I chose home business, stop smoking, and coffee. Okay, now coffee is a really high demand keyword. We're not even going to use the word coffee, and I'll explain in a bit why not. But what I do is I use that word, that high demand word, because I'm hoping to get some sort of sub keywords for it that I might be able to home into a different topic about coffee, but not actually about the word coffee. Okay, you'll see what I mean as we get into this. So let me show you some tools that are available freely in that you can use. Okay, the first one is this one here. This is called Word Tracker. Now, Word Tracker is one of the best places to go. You can use their free keywords.wordtracker.com. You can use their basic free system. Okay. If you did want to actually join, I believe it's something like $59 a month, but it really homes in on what people are looking for, what your competition is, what you can do. It really is a powerful tool. Okay, we're going to use the free version, obviously, because I love freebies. So this is a tool that we're going to use. Okay, this is one of them, freekeywords.wordtracker.com. Next one is called the Keyword Research Tool. This is an absolutely awesome tool. This is, you put in your word, your keyword or your key phrase, and what it does is it'll offer you back information of that word you're looking for. It'll give you some optional keywords that you might not have actually thought of. Okay. The next one, that is webmasterstoolkit.com/keyword research tool.html. Don't worry, I'll put all these on my website anyway. You'll be able to click on them from there. Next one we got is SEO tools. Now again, this is another great one, but what this does is it compares your keyword and your key phrase to Google, Yahoo, Bing. It gives you a lot of information, and we're going to be using this one quite a lot as well because I like to home in, and this will also give you a daily, it'll tell you how often per day people are looking for your keyword and key phrase. The next one we're going to use, and that one was tools.seobook.com/keyword tools/SEO book. Again, I'll put it on my website. And the next one we're going to use is the actual Google AdWords, and I've done this in another tutorial before, but this is a great way of homing in on what people are looking for. Also gives you those other idea keywords that you might not have thought of, and we'll be able to generally see per month how often people are looking for certain keywords on Google. Okay, so these are great tools. And then the last tool I generally use is GoDaddy. Okay, now what I do with this one is I do a search for a domain name. If I find a really good keyword that I like, I just stick it in here and I hit go, and it'll do a search for that actual domain name, and I'll be able to see if it's available, and it just offers a real powerful domain search feature. GoDaddy doesn't matter if you don't buy through GoDaddy. I use it as a tool to find out if the keyword that I'm liking, if the topic that I'm liking is available as a domain name. So these are your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tools. Okay, this is the tools that I use. There's loads more tools available. There's some really good tools available, but I like these ones. I like running, let's say, a keyword or a key phrase through each one of these, and because these actual tools, they're not 100% correct. They're just a guide that shows you roughly on what people are looking for and what people aren't looking for, and I like to use a few of them to get ideas, to get the juices flowing, and to try to come up with the best domain name and the best concept for a website. So that's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we're going to go through one by one. We're going to put in my 3 topics: home business, stop smoking, or coffee. You're going to put in your 3 choices, and we're going to see how we get on. We're going to home in on what people are looking for, and we're going to have you guys and girls up and running in no time flat. Take it easy, guys and girls. Catch you at the next One Stop Tutorials. Laters, everyone.